We all know contaminated and impure water consumption can cause several health problems for us. Once again, let us know health hazards associated with drinking contaminated water. Drinking water contaminated with harmful substances can lead to a variety of severe health problems, ranging from acute illnesses to chronic conditions. Here's a breakdown of the key health hazards. A. Waterborne diseases, caused by microbial contaminants. These are among the most common and immediate threats posed by contaminated water. 1. Diarrhea and other gastrointestinal infections, caused by bacteria, like E. coli, Salmonella, and Vibrio cholerae, viruses, and parasites. Symptoms include severe diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach cramps, according to sources. 2. Cholera, a bacterial infection causing severe diarrhea and dehydration, potentially fatal if left untreated. 3. Typhoid fever, a bacterial infection causing high fever, weakness, stomach pain, and loss of appetite. 4. Hepatitis A, a viral infection that affects the liver, leading to symptoms like jaundice, fatigue, and abdominal pain. 5. Giardiasis, a parasitic infection affecting the small intestine, causing diarrhea, cramps, and nausea. 6. Dysentery, severe diarrhea with blood or mucus caused by bacteria or amoebas from contaminated water. 7. Cryptosporidiosis, a parasitic infection causing watery diarrhea, nausea, fever, and dehydration. 8. E. coli infections, certain strains can cause severe stomach cramps, bloody diarrhea, and vomiting, and can lead to kidney failure in children. 9. Polio and meningitis, though less common, these diseases can also be linked to contaminated water. B. Chronic and long-term health problems, caused by chemical and heavy metal contamination. Exposure to certain contaminants over prolonged periods can have serious long-term consequences. 1. Kidney and liver damage. Heavy metals, like lead and arsenic, can accumulate in the body over time, causing damage to these vital organs. 2. Increased risk of cancer. Industrial pollutants, certain pesticides, and chemicals like arsenic, radon, and PFAS have been linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including bladder, lung, skin, kidney, and testicular cancer, says the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. 3. Reproductive and developmental issues. Chemicals, particularly endocrine disruptors, can affect hormonal cycles, causing fertility problems, birth defects, and developmental delays in children. 4. Neurological disorders. Certain chemicals and heavy metals, like mercury and lead, can negatively impact the nervous system, potentially leading to neurological damage and developmental problems, especially in children. 5. Fluorosis. Excess fluoride in drinking water can lead to dental and skeletal fluorosis, affecting bones and teeth, according to sources. 6. Cardiovascular issues. High levels of certain contaminants can be linked to conditions like high blood pressure and heart disease. 7. Weakened immunity. Exposure to polluted water can compromise the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to various infections and illnesses. 8. Skin problems. Contact with contaminated water can lead to skin rashes, irritation, and infections. C. Vulnerable populations at greater risk. Children, pregnant women, and individuals with weakened immune systems are particularly susceptible to the severe effects of contaminated water. 1. Children. Repeated bouts of diarrhea can lead to malnutrition and stunted growth. Hazardous pollutants harm developing tissues and organs more significantly. 2. Pregnant women. Increased risk of infections and potential complications like preterm birth. 3. Elderly. More susceptible to severe complications from waterborne illnesses due to weakened immune systems, according to sources. In summary, the health hazards associated with drinking contaminated water are significant and wide-ranging. Ensuring access to safe and clean water is crucial for protecting public health and preventing both acute and chronic diseases, especially in vulnerable populations. Hope this helps in taking precautionary measures to keep you away from waterborne diseases. Thank you.